Have you ever wondered if your diet could help you get pregnant? It's a question many hopeful parents ask, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of fertility and nutrition. Imagine being able to take control of your fertility journey simply by making the right food choices. Very intrigued, right? Let's explore how what you can eat can impact your chances of conceiving. Martha and James. Once upon a time, a young couple named Martha and James were in a bustling city. They were excited to start a family, but they began to worry after months of trying with no success. Martha searched the internet for answers and stumbled upon a term that caught her eye: fertility diet. This discovery led her down a research path and eventually to an expert, a fertility doctor passionate about nutrition. Let's journey through their story and uncover the secrets of the fertility diet together. So, what is a fertility diet? So, what exactly is a fertility diet? Essentially, it's a way of eating that can improve your chances of getting pregnant. Just like Martha, many people wonder what foods to embrace and what to avoid. Are there specific nutrients that can boost fertility? Can certain foods hinder your chances? Let's break it down. Understanding the basics. Before we start, it's essential to know that a fertility diet isn't just about eating certain foods. It's about adopting a holistic approach to your health. Think of it as preparing the soil before planting a garden. You want to create the most fertile environment possible for a new life to grow. Research shows that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can significantly improve fertility. Martha, who once indulged in processed foods and sugary snacks, began to shift her diet. She learned that whole grain carbohydrates are her friends, providing energy and reducing inflammation, which is crucial for reproductive health. Meanwhile, the keto diet, which was popular among her friends, wasn't the best fit for her fertility goals due to its low carbohydrate intake. Here are a few samples of foods that boost fertility. Leafy vegetables: salmon, egg, sunflower seed. Vegetables: full-fat dairy, walnuts, plant-based protein foods, lentils, and more. The power of omega-3 fatty acids. Martha's subsequent discovery was the magic of omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats in fish, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Studies have shown that a higher intake of omega-3s can improve ovulation, shorten the time of pregnancy, and enhance embryo development. But what about fish, with its risk of mercury contamination? Martha learned to choose wisely, opting for fish low in mercury and limiting her intake to 3 servings per week to avoid potential harm. The types of fish you should avoid to prevent mercury contamination are shark, swordfish, tuna, orange roughy, gemfish, barramundi, and ray. Embracing a plant-based diet. Martha's most significant change was incorporating more plant-based foods into her diet. Plant-based eating has been linked to better reproductive outcomes. In the famous Nurses' Health Study, women who consumed more plant than animal proteins had higher ovulation and pregnancy rates. For Martha, this meant reducing red meat and embracing legumes, nuts, and whole grains. Navigating through the controversial foods. Next on Martha's list were controversial foods like soy and dairy. Soy, often misunderstood, turned out to be beneficial. Contrary to myths, it didn't harm fertility. With soy, consumers experienced improved natural fertility and better outcomes with fertility treatments. However, genetically modified soy should be avoided. These are known as soy protein isolates, primarily in soy products like shakes, mayonnaise, veggie burgers, soy protein bars, etc. The reason to avoid modified soy is because of the danger of miscarriages and endometriosis. Dairy, on the other hand, presented a more complex picture. Some studies suggest that low-fat dairy might harm fertility, while full-fat dairy could be beneficial. Martha consumed dairy in moderation, focusing on whole milk and natural yogurt. The role of key nutrients. Martha also focused on critical nutrients like vitamin D and folate. Vitamin D, essential for reproductive health, is often deficient in many diets. Martha added a daily supplement to ensure she was getting enough. Folate, crucial for cell division and preventing neural tube defects, became a staple in her prenatal vitamins, with a preference for the methylated form for better absorption. Adequate amounts of vitamin D and folate are essential during pregnancy because they are critical for rapid growth, and because they are needed nutrients to keep the bones, muscles, and teeth healthy. Iron, while not directly linked to infertility, is vital during pregnancy to prevent anemia. Martha kept her iron intake in check, but didn't overdo it, knowing it could cause constipation. Special considerations for PCOS. Women with PCOS face unique challenges, and Martha was no exception. She learned that complex carbohydrates, plant-based eating, and possibly intermittent fasting could improve insulin sensitivity, a common issue in PCOS. By reducing sugar and refined carbs, Martha aimed to balance her hormones and improve her chances of conceiving. Following are additional things Martha did to help improve her odds. Martha supplements the journey with supplements. As Martha and James continued their journey, they realized the importance of supplements. They discovered that while a balanced diet is essential, sometimes additional support is needed. Martha started taking a high-quality prenatal vitamin with crucial nutrients like vitamin D, folate, and omega-3s. These supplements ensured she covered all her bases, giving her body the necessary nutrients to support conception and a healthy pregnancy. Managing stress and lifestyle is very important. Beyond diet, Martha and James also recognized the impact of stress and lifestyle on fertility. They made a conscious effort to incorporate stress-reducing activities into their daily routine. Yoga, meditation, and regular exercise became their allies in maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Studies have shown that reducing stress can positively affect fertility, making it an essential aspect of their journey. The importance of regular checkups. Regular medical checkups and consultations with a fertility specialist became a part of their routine. Martha and James understood that professional guidance was crucial. Their doctor provided personalized advice and monitored their progress, adjusting their plan as needed. This professional support gave them confidence and peace of mind. Addressing myths, miracle foods, and more. Finally, Martha encountered various myths about miracle foods like pineapple for implantation. While there's no solid evidence that pineapple core improves implantation, it certainly didn't hurt to include it in her balanced diet. Conclusion and call to action. In the end, Martha and James found that by making mindful changes to their diet, they were setting the stage for a healthier and more fertile future. They discovered that the journey to parenthood is unique for everyone, but adopting a fertility-friendly diet can make a significant difference. With that said, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us reach more people with valuable information. Until next time, keep nourishing your body for the journey ahead.